Welcome back to part 2 of our English lessons series, where we explore English slang to help you sound more natural. In the previous part, I discussed the importance of learning slang. If you missed it, there's a link in the description, or you can click the I button in the top right corner. I'm Sarah, your English teacher. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting lessons like this one. Ready? Let's dive in. The first slang term is I am vibing. Now, I'm vibing in slang means that you're enjoying the atmosphere or feeling good in the moment. It's often used to express a sense of relaxation, enjoyment, or being in sync with the environment or people around you. I hope you got it. Here are some examples to use in real conversations. I'm just vibing to this new playlist. It's got all my favourite songs. We were just vibing at the beach, watching the sunset. I love this cafe. I'm vibing with the cosy atmosphere. Now it's your turn to write a few sentences in the comments. That's how you practice. It will help you remember these terms better. And we move on to the next slang term. She slayed it. Slayed it in slang means to perform exceptionally well, or to do something in an impressive or outstanding manner. It's often used to praise someone for their excellent performance, whether in a task, an event, or even for their appearance. Take a look at these examples. You totally slayed it in your presentation today. Everyone was so impressed. She slayed it on the dance floor yesterday. Her moves were amazing. You slayed it in the interview. I'm sure you'll get the job. Did you see in each of these examples, we are saying someone performed exceptionally well. Here comes the next one. That was savage. Now, that was savage could have two different meanings. First, it means to be extremely bold or impressive in your speech or actions. And the second meaning is something is shocking or harsh. It's like saying someone is brutally honest or daring. Take a look at these examples to understand it better. His behaviour at the meeting was that of a savage. When he told the teacher her lesson was boring, that was savage. His savage response to my comment left me speechless. I hope you got it. It simply means someone is bold and fierce. Up next on my list is, he's so thirsty. Now in literal terms, it means that someone is in very much need of water or a drink, right? But in slang terms, it means someone is overly eager or desperate. The desperation could be for attention, affection, or approval on social media. Take a look at these examples to have a better understanding. She's so thirsty for likes. She posts selfies every hour. She's always bragging about her achievements. She's so thirsty. Did you see how he kept interrupting the meeting to show off his ideas? He's so thirsty. In short, it means someone is desperate to get noticed or hungry for attention. Quite an interesting one, isn't it? Try making your own sentences and drop them in the comments. And we move on to the next one. No cap, no cap. Does it mean you are telling someone not to wear a cap? Well, no. In slang, it means do not lie, or it's used to say, I am not kidding. It's used to emphasize that someone is being truthful or serious about what they're saying. I'm telling you, that movie was the best I've seen all year, no cap. This pizza is the best in town, no cap. She aced the final exam without studying, no cap. We use no cap mostly at the end of the sentence. In short, it's a way to say the someone is not lying or exaggerating. Well, with that, we move on to the next one, to stay woke. Now this is pretty interesting. Any guesses what it means? To stay woke means to remain aware and informed about social and political issues, particularly those related to injustice and inequality. It's like being conscious and alert to the realities of the world. Let's understand how to use it with these examples. It's important to stay woke of environmental issues and how they affect our future. Stay woke to the ways media can shape our opinions and perceptions during elections. He encouraged his friends to stay woke and vote in the upcoming election. So to stay woke emphasizes the importance of being conscious and informed about social issues, especially against injustice and inequality. I hope you got it. Here comes the next. Show me the receipts. Pretty interesting one. What is a receipt? It's proof of the purchase made, right? So when you say, show me the receipt, it means to provide proof or evidence to back up what you are saying is true. It's often used when someone wants concrete evidence of what is being spoken. I am sure that was easy to understand. Here are some examples. You said you met the celebrity. Show me the receipts. He said he got a perfect score on the test, but he needs to show me the receipts. They claim their camera is the best. Show me the receipts to believe it. With that, we move on to the next one. He's got clout. He's got clout in slang means that he has the power to influence something. He can influence a particular community or on social media. It simply means someone is well known and respected, and his opinions or actions carry weight. The best example of this would be popular TV reporters or social media influencers with millions of followers. I hope you got it. With millions of followers, he's got clout on social media. As a successful entrepreneur, he's got clout in the business community. In the world of fashion, she's got clout and sets trends. I hope that was pretty straightforward to understand. Here comes the next one. Don't be salty. Don't be salty means don't be bitter or upset, especially over something minor or trivial. It's often used to tell someone not to take something too personally or to react negatively. It's like telling someone, don't get upset, I was just kidding, or I wasn't serious when I said that. Let's look at some examples. Don't be salty just because your idea wasn't chosen. He joked about your haircut. Don't be salty. He was just teasing. She didn't invite you to the party. Don't be salty about it. So, don't be salty means don't be bitter or upset about something. With that, we move on to the last slang term from today's lesson, looking snatched. Now, looking snatched means looking exceptionally good, stylish, or put together. It's a compliment often used to describe someone who looks very attractive and fashionable. It's like someone is dressed for the occasion and is looking really good and standing out from others. Here are some examples. He worked out all summer, and now he looks snatched. With that outfit and those accessories, they looked snatched for the event. You're looking snatched today. Did you get a new haircut? In short, it means to look exceptionally good, stylish, or fashionable. Well, that's all for today. Try to make at least one sentence with these awesome slang terms so you can use them confidently in your conversations. I'm sure you will slay it in your conversations using these terms, and no cap. It will help you sound natural in English. See, I just used 2 of the slang terms we learned today. That's how you practice. I'll see you in the next part of this series with 10 more amazing slang words and phrases to help you sound even more natural in English. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this lesson with your friends. Keep learning and keep practicing English. Bye for now.